Hello student, I Soumen sir, lecturer in mechanical engineering. Today we are going to learn what is bearing material or metals and composition, properties and application of white metal, Babbitt metal, phosphor bronze, etc. Now, introduction to bearing metals. What is the definition? Bearing metals are materials used in bearings to reduce friction and wear between moving parts. Bearing material help parts of machine move smoothly by reducing friction. Now, key bearing material, main bearing material, white metal, Babbitt metal, phosphor bronze. Now, what is the properties of bearing metal? Properties. This metal should have low friction, that means slippery, high strength, that means durable, resistance to wear and tear, that means long lasting, ability to handle stress and pressure. Okay. Now, composition, properties and application of white metal. Composition. Main composition include a mixture of tin, that means Sn, lead, that means Pb, antimony, that means Sb, copper, Cu, etc. Now, properties of white metal. Number 1, low melting point. White metal melt at relatively low temperature. Number 2, good lubricity, that means smooth surface reducing friction between moving particles. Number 3, high conformability. Conformability means takes shape of a mating surface, that means easily conform to the shape of a mating surface. Number 4, high corrosion resistance, that means resist corrosion against water and environment. Number 5, good load bearing capacity, that means handle significant load when used as a bearing materials. Now, application of white metal. Number 1, engine bearing and other machinery. Number 2, equipment like turbine and compressor. Number 3, use in electrical fuses for safety. Number 4, making affordable jewelry and ornament, goina. Number 5, making models, toy and small parts. Okay. Now, composition, properties and application of Babbitt metal. Babbitt metal are two types, tin based Babbitt metal and lead based Babbitt metal. Now, composition, main composition includes a mixture of tin 80 to 90% or lead 80 to 90%, antimony 4 to 15%, copper 1 to 10%, etc. Now, properties of Babbitt metal. Number 1, excellent fatigue resistance, that means ensure durability, that means long life under repeated stress and long-term use. Number 2, low coefficient of friction, that means it is ideal for reducing wear between moving parts in bearing. Number 3, ability to embed foreign particles. Embed means to fix something firmly and deeply. That means it allows embedding of foreign particles. Number 4, good heat dissipation. That means dissipate heat generation during operation. Number 5, corrosion resistance. That means it resists corrosion. Now, application of Babbitt metal. Number 1, use in plain bearing and journal bearing. Due to low friction and embeddability. Number 2, high speed machinery such as turbine, compressor and electric motor. That means where minimum lubrication and low wear are important. Okay. Number 3, pump, generator and large scale manufacturing equipment, because to reduce wear and extend operation life. Number 4, marine engine, because handle high load and embed foreign particles. Okay. Now, composition, properties and application of phosphor bronze. Main composition include a mixture of copper 85 to 95%, tin 5 to 15%, phosphorus less than 1%, etc. Now, properties. Number 1, high strength and toughness. That means resistance to wear and fatigue and long life. Number 2, good corrosion resistance. That means excellent resistance to corrosion, particularly marine and industrial environment. Number 3, low friction coefficient. That means it offers low friction and good sliding properties. Number 4, good conductivity, good electrical and thermal conductivity. Number 5, elasticity. It exhibits good elasticity. Now, application of phosphor bronze. Number 1, electrical component. That means electrical connector, switch contact and spring due to excellent conductivity and durability. Number 2, bearing and bushing. Due to low friction and wear resistance, make it ideal for bearings and bushing. Number 3, marine hardware and component, because corrosion resistance make it suitable for marine application. Number 4, musical instrument, because of its durability and ability to produce a warm and rich tone. Okay.